Welcome, Kitsap County. Buyers, this episode is for you. Today we're going to teach you a simple formula to teach you the right priced home for you. I am Stephanie Dupuis with Dupuis team at Keller Williams West Sound. So buyers, many of you are living home buyer hell right now. We all know that. This is a special episode to teach you a very important trick to the trade. You know, if you're searching for a home, you cannot search for the price home that you want to pay. If you want to pay $400,000 for a home, you need to shop well below $400,000 in order to pay $400,000. So we're going to teach you a formula today that will allow you to do that and make your home search much easier and way more productive. So here's the trick. Okay, you ready? Get your writing utensils ready. Here's the formula, folks. Formula is simply take your maximum spending limit, otherwise known as your maximum purchase price. For example, might be $400,000. That means you only want to spend $400,000 on a home. And you're going to divide it by the sales price to list price statistic. Now, what in the world is the sales price to list price? You'll probably only find that watching the Dupuis Team Weekly stats. However, any broker using the Northwest MLS can find that stat for you. This is a common stat that we use once we collate all the listings in our county and figure out what they were listed for versus what they sold for. It's called a delta, and it's a percentage difference. Okay, so currently, right now, homes, the difference between what they sell for and list for are between 3 and 4%. That's the sales price to list price delta, or the sales price to list price difference. Capiche? Capash? You get it? Say yes, nod your head. Okay, good. Glad everybody understands. Now, so here's how you figure out what price you're going to search for. If you only want to use, let's say, for example, spend no more than $400,000, you're going to take $400,000. That's your maximum purchase price. You're going to divide it by the sales price to list price. Let's say that's 103%. And you're going to get your searchable price. That's the home price you're going to search for. Okay? So use this formula to figure out what price range you want to do your home search for, and you're going to have a much easier time making viable home offers in today's market in Kitsap County. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm Stephanie Dupuis with Dupuis team at Keller Williams West Sound, and good luck out there and be safe.